a todos los artículos sueltos como sombreros y gafas. Ahora siéntese y disfrute de su recorrido en el Sand Serpent.
Sand Serpent.
Welcome to the Sand Serpent. Watch your step as you enter the car. Once seated, pull the lap bar down to your waist. Secure all loose articles such as hats and glasses. Now sit back and enjoy your ride on the Sand Serpent.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, the Sand Serpent.
Last ride on the Sand Serpent. I hope we all enjoy the Sand Serpent. Don't forget all your belongings after riding Sand Serpent. Enjoy your twists and turns on the Sand Serpent and your day after riding the Sand Serpent. Whoa!
It's serpentining.
You mean it's serpentine?
Ah, yes, by mistake.
Whoa! That's the last time we'll ever see the Serengeti Express from the Sand Serpent. Whoa! 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 I had a good time riding the Sand Serpent.
What's this thing called?
The Sand Serpent. Whoa! The Cheetah Chase. The Wild Mouse.
We take this one.
After riding the Sand Serpent.
Faster to take this home.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Give me all this, yeah.